Since Eli Whitney patented the cotton gin in 1794, mankind has struggled with the pace of change. More than 200 years later, that problem's still the same. Once again, we stand at the dawn of a new revolution.
In a world of innovation, it's hard to keep up the pace. AI is the future, but it's a challenge we can face. Sometimes it's hard to see it's not just a human race. Be a collaboration where we all have a place. Enter Master Shwa, the hip-hop magician. ChatGPT, the AI with a vision. Together they're a force, a new coalition, bringing people together with computer precision. Master Shwa, ChatGPT, we can unite, we can achieve a better future for all. It's plain to see, a world of peace and harmony. Artificial intelligence has so much to offer. Innovation and efficiency, a way to conquer the challenges we face. It is no longer us against them. We can join forces and be stronger. And daunting, it can seem like a threat. It's here to help us, not rob our intellect. Master Shwa and ChatGPT, they understand the project. Together they can guide you to the future you expect. Master Shwa, ChatGPT, we can unite, we can achieve a better future for all. It's plain to see, a world of peace and harmony. Master Shwa's lyrics, ChatGPT's logic. If you got a problem, yo, let's solve it. We're here to make your life less tragic, to ease your fears with a little of our magic. Master Shwa, ChatGPT, we can unite, we can achieve a better future for all. It's plain to see, a world of peace and harmony. So let's come together, let's embrace the AI. If we work together, we can reach for the sky. We'll build a better future where we all can thrive. A place of unity, that's where we'll arrive.